In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable fast mode in Midjourney. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Discord, what to type, and how to confirm that fast mode is active so your images render more quickly. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device. Midjourney runs entirely through Discord, so make sure you're signed into the account you use with Midjourney. You can do this from any server where the bot is available, but the easiest place is a direct message with the Midjourney bot, which keeps things uncluttered. Next, head to your direct messages and open the conversation with the Midjourney bot. If you don't see it right away, use the Discord search bar and type Midjourney bot, then open the chat. You should see the familiar chat window where you normally paste prompts or view generated images. If the bot isn't available in your DMs, you can follow the exact same steps in a Midjourney-enabled server channel, such as a newbies or personal bot channel. In the message bar at the bottom of the chat, type /settings like this, /settings, then press enter. Discord will usually suggest the command as you type. Make sure you select the Midjourney command if suggestions appear. Once you submit it, the bot will return a settings panel right inside the chat. This panel shows a grid of buttons and toggles for things like model versions, upscalers, and speed modes. When the settings panel loads, look for the option labeled fast mode and click it. Fast mode tells Midjourney to prioritize speed when generating your images using your available fast GPU time. After you click, the bot will post a short confirmation message in the chat to let you know the mode has changed. That's your signal that it's active. From now on, any prompts you send will use fast mode automatically until you switch it off. A quick note on what this means. Fast mode is ideal when you need quicker results, especially during live sessions or when you're iterating on a concept. If you're trying to conserve fast time, you can switch back to relax mode later by returning to the same settings panel and choosing relax. Your choice stays in effect across prompts until you change it again. That's all you need to enable fast mode in Midjourney. Open Discord, message the Midjourney bot, run settings, and select fast mode. You're ready to generate faster. Thanks for watching and happy creating.